might seem simple to get those AMRs up and running, but when you go down into details, there's a lot of issues, and what RoEq has done is to clear out these issues so that it becomes very fast and easy to install those AMRs in the production. One of the issues is actually to set up the AMRs to work with the equipment, making this whole AMR, changing it from just being an AMR into being a solution. What we've done is that we've taken care of this whole process, and we have made some software that actually helps setting up the system so that the time from going to the factory to actually make it work, we've minimized this time, enabling the system integrators to do the job quickly and in a consistent way. The cart solution that we see here, that's our newest product. It's the first time it is on display in the States. We developed this product for the Omron LD90 robot, which is the most popular robot for Omron. The strength of this solution is that it is very compact. As you can tell from the robot name, it's called Omron LD90X, meaning that you could put 90 kilos on top of the robot. With this solution here, you could actually do 130 kilos on top of the cart system here.